Can't adjust screen brightness. How to fix it? First of all, you may try the below guide at https://goo.gl/25kzcn. How to set brightness and contrast. Solution 1, Step 1. Update current display driver. Press Windows key and X key and click Device Manager. Expand display adapters. Right-click on the display adapter listed and click on Update Driver Software. Select the option to automatically search for the updated driver software. Restart your computer after it's updated and verify. Also try to access the computer manufacturer website and download and install the latest display and chipset drivers. Note, you may also contact their support team and check if there is any setting that needs to be enabled from on your computer. Step 2, if the issue persists, install the same driver in its compatibility mode for previous version of Windows. A. Right-click the driver installation file and select Properties, then tap or click the Compatibility tab. B. Place a check in the Run this program in compatibility mode for box. C. Tap or click the drop-down box and select a previous operating system, then tap or click OK. Refer to the below image. D. Try installing the driver and check. Step 3, run System File Checker tool as the admin user. See details at https://goo.gl/f2y5u. Note, do not close the command prompt window until the verification is 100% complete. Solution 2, Step 1, run the hardware troubleshooter. Step 2, create a new power plan. Step 1, check if there are any pending updates. Step 2, download the latest display driver from the manufacturer website for your computer. Run the setup file in its compatibility mode for Windows. Note, make sure that you have downloaded the driver from the website and then you uninstall the current version. Step 3, A. Press the Windows key and the X key together and select Control Panel. B. Locate the display adapter device and expand the driver portion. Right-click on the driver icon. C. Select Update Driver Software. C. Select Browse My Computer for a driver software. D. Select Let me pick from a list of device drivers on my computer. E. Select the driver option according your device model and installed. Note, if this does not work, follow the steps from A to C and select Search automatically for the updated driver instead. Step 4, disable and re-enable your display adapter driver later. A. Open Device Manager. B. Expand the display adapter and right-click on the display driver. Select Disable. C. Right-click on the display driver again and select Enable. D. Restart your computer and check if you are able to adjust brightness. Solution 4, Step 1. Create a new user account on your Windows. Step 2. Run the System Update Readiness tool, checksir.exe, at https://goo.gl/ndy5sw. 2.1 Install available Windows updates. 2.2 Run DISM Windows image scan and restore health commands, dism/online/cleanup image /check health dism/online/cleanup image /scan health dism/online/cleanup image /restore health. 2.3 Restart your PC to configure any updates that may have been affected by this. Solution 5. Update. .NET. Framework to the latest build. See more info at https://goo.gl/adl60. Other voices, 1. Go into Control Panel and then Power Options. Click the Change Plan Settings link next to whichever plan you are currently using and then click Change Advanced Power Settings. In this new window, click Display to open up the listings under it. Now locate and click each of the following: Display Brightness, Dim Display Brightness and Enable Adaptive Brightness. Change each of these to the settings you wish, then click the Apply button and finally the OK button. 2. Search for device. Manager in Start menu. Expand the Monitor section. Right-click on generic PNP monitor and click on Enable. 3. Check if you have installed the TeamViewer monitor driver. If so, uninstall it. Tip: there is an uninstall button in TeamViewer next to the Extras-Options-Advanced Network Options-Install Monitor Driver label if you have installed this driver. Refer to the above image. 4. Update generic PNP monitor driver. 5. Delete/uninstall hidden devices under PNP monitors.